In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can download and install Engon for Blender, which is from Polygonic. And this is basically an asset manager that you can use to have access to libraries that contain cars or trees, general furnishing, so libraries, grass, and much, much more. So these are screenshots of how everything essentially works. But first of all, you need to download and install the add-on. And it also contains additional tools for scattering objects and putting objects into the scene really easily. So you can do this, you can download it and install it from Blender Market. You can do it from Gumroad. Blender Market is now super high, by the way. So for example, in Gumroad, you can just put 0 here. You can download it, or if you want, you can put a donation, a small donation if you want. But all the libraries are not free. So even if you install Anggon for free, then you need to install download the assets by paying a small amount. So you can get it also again from SuperHive, which was formerly Blender Market. You need to log in into your account to do this. So I'm gonna get it from SuperHive instead of Gumroad, but you can also get it from there. And you need an account. So create an account. Once you do it, you log in, and right now I'm logged in. So you need to add this to your cart and then check out. Complete the order, and that's it. So now it's ready to be downloaded. What you need is the Engon zip file. So download it, install it, and I'm gonna do it in a download folder. Okay, and I'm also gonna show you how you can install it actually, so you can see all the passages here, all the steps. Okay, now it's downloaded. You can still see the information right here. If you want more information, I'm gonna close the SuperHive website and let's get into Blender. And I'm gonna close this pop-up panels, and I'm gonna go to File, Edit Preferences. Edit Preferences, this is where you wanna go. And you need to, well, if I search Anggon, I've already installed it here. So what I'm gonna do is go here. Another thing you can do with add-ons, you can search for them here in the get extension. So if you're right here, you just need to click and install. But if they're not here, you need to install them manually. And to do this, you can do it from the add-on section or from the get extension section. And again, it's right here because I've already installed it. And also you can install more asset packs from here if you download them. But right now we don't have any. So down here, you can also go and get all the various libraries that I was talking you about. So Botanic is for plants, and then you have Traffic for cars and so on. So these are really professional packages, and you can see there is a starter, which is really cheap, starter option, and then you have other plants, and then you have aquatic for water stuff and trees and interiors and so on. Okay, to install it directly, you need to go to the little arrow up here on the top right, click install from disk, navigate where you downloaded it, don't unzip it, and then click to install it. That's the way you're gonna install it. You can do it in the add-ons, you can do it in the extensions. It's the same process. Just click install from disk and it will appear eventually in here. Make sure that the checkbox is marked. And then to access the add-on, you need to go down here on the right side, search for it, and scroll the wheel if it's too low. In my case, it's really at the bottom. And here we have all the other tools. So we have the scatter, we have the clicker. So you can select target objects where to put stuff, but you need to have something to put in there. So you can start with a scene here in Blender. You can create a plane and then you can scatter objects on that plane. You need to subdivide it first a little bit, or you can just click and put assets. But you can click here to select, and then you need a library at the end. So Unfortunately, there is no free library in here. We need to go and get something from either Superhive or Gumroad. Either way, they're not free. We need to pay a small amount if we're interested. So that's another option. If you're working with Blender, if you want additional libraries, objects, 3D objects, materials, and see here water library and much more, you can do it. You can try with these assets. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Join the channel if you want to support us. Check out other video courses and video guides in Blender, also with free stuff. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.